very own Om Prakash family. So once we announced our exhibition, we got a lot of queries from our customers who don't live in the city and live across the country, overseas, that they would love to see our stall and all the new collection that we've launched for this stall for the exhibition, and also just have a look at the entire display at once. So we thought we'd quickly come live and give you a glimpse of that. So let's just get started. Let's start with our diamond collection. So this is our very own double-decker haars and chokers, the multi-layer harems. As you all know, multifunctionality is our forte, and 5-in-1, 7-in-1 is what we really love to offer, so that you can use more and probably 2 people can wear it at once. So this is our diamond collection, the Satlada collection. The Kundan choker has been really loved at the exhibition. This is the Vattu we have launched especially for this exhibition. So we got a lot of love on that. The jalebi collection, the collection that's trending and something that you would want. If there is something that you specifically want to see at a closer look, you can mention us, you can write to us over here, or anything. We would love to go by your way. So yeah, you could ask us again. The very and if you can see, and very beautiful Victorian collection over there. It's a very pretty necklace there. The most loved pieces over here have been our chain, our pendant collection, in the fancy chains, and all the beaded collection here. Anything that you specifically would want to ask, you could, and we could show it to you. So all of this is the beaded collection, the black bead collection, the fancy chain and the pendant collection. Very beautiful chand balis here. Lovely bangles and the bracelet collection. This has received a lot of love as well. All the 3 pieces here. And like this charm chain has really got a lot of love. So yeah, and our very special Nakshi collection, something that we are loved for, something that we love doing, and something that you all love to get from us. All the mango malas and the Vattu harems, all the Kundan collection, the Kasu malas, the Pisalus. So this is a very special jalebi necklace again, just launched for this exhibition. It's a statement piece, something that you would love to have for yourself. But this is still been a very special day, and I hope you all are loving the collection. Please write to us what you think about it. Now, moving on. Let me just run through this and get smaller studs and hangings. All the diamond studs, the daily wear ones, and the little heavier range, the polki hangings and studs again, which have also again received a lot of love. All of these, yes. Oh, this pendant, since color stones are really what are trending, so something that you would love to have. These pendants again in the Italian chains, Omega chains, the very, very beautiful chokers, the chiclets. The entire Victorian collection has also received a lot of love. So that's about it. I hope you love the collection. Please take a screenshot of everything you liked, and if there are any queries, you can get back to us. Thank you so much.